make chicken satay stir-fry meal prep. This dish has about 525 calories and it tastes amazing just by itself. But if your macros allow you to, you can of course have it with a side of brown rice. It also has about 60 grams of protein and about 23 grams of carbohydrates. So it's a complete dish just by itself. If you're ready, take a look at what you need.
Alright, so you need a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, medium red onion, 1 red capsicum. I also have some sweet peas and baby corn, 1 medium broccoli, about 500 gram chicken breast, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of liquid aminos. If you don't have liquid aminos, you can use soy sauce, potato starch in water, and also for garnishing some fresh parsley.
I guess if you have everything, let's get started. So much for tuning in this week's video. I hope you like that. Make sure if you made that, give me a shout out, leave me a comment below, or even follow me on Instagram at Asian Meal Prep. Tell me that you've made it, tag me. I would love to see your creations. Thank you again. I'll see you guys next week. If you like what you've seen, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button on this page. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Take care.